We need to say, how can we become completely independent, each and everything, and self-sufficient, and how to make ourselves ready to only expect from Allah. So I think strengthening your relationship with Allah, realizing who Allah is, getting clear on what you want from Allah, making a habit to call upon Allah. There's lots of hadith about trusting Allah only, and actually, Him giving you a way out. And also, what I would say is look at your past life, look at ways in which Allah has actually helped you already. One of the things I did is I had loads of situations where I was really struggling in life, and I was going to be I was going to get destroyed, I felt. And all these different situations where Allah came and helped me. And so I've made a list of these things so that I know this is where Allah has helped me. And it's a great reminder. So get clear and realize how Allah has been helping you so much already. And so therefore, He's the only one you rely on. I was thinking when it comes to work and stuff like that, people think, oh yeah, my work, they're going to pay me. After I left work and I started having my own business, I realized it's not my work that's been paying me. It's Allah that's been paying me. So realizing that there's no one else to trust except Allah, and Allah is the one that actually has been helping you all this time.